What's up, guys? Very good morning. Welcome back. And we have started from Kanyakumari from our hotel. We are on our way to Jatayu Earth Center. On the way to Varkala, we'll see Varkala. So the route would be Kanyakumari, Nagarkoil, like that. We are going to go touch base Trivandrum. From there, we'll go to Varkala, take right, go to Jatayu Center, and then we are leaving to Munnar through a wild sanctuary. That's the plan. So we have Yogesh who's ready, who's sorted. So we had an extra bag because we had a lot of shopping now. So that's it. So we just had a quick stop on the highway for a quick coffee. Now on our way to Jatayu Varkala.
One eternity later.
Okay, another 2.3 kilometers only to reach Jatayu. Is it somewhere here? Oh yeah, I could see the Jatayu on top. There you see Jatayu. We took here. Okay, got it. Left. Where are you? Okay. We are going to climb the Jatayu Earth Center. Let's go. So I think we have to, I don't know till where we can go, where we have to park. So this is a mountain actually, and oh please don't tell me with this particular dress I can't trek. What happened? Are no trekking and all, Baba, with keeping luggage on. I am coming, but why are we trekking? Which is the route? Where is the route? I think we can go till the top itself. Oh yeah, we can see it. Huh? You keep your luggage and go, then you'll know when it gets lost. Okay, here we have to take a right. OP. Where is it? Sure. Oh yeah, here it is. Okay. பீச்சே சேச்சி இங்கேருந்து போட முடியாதா? புஷ் பண்ண முடியாத வண்டியை? letter put from here itself. Entry போடணும். Okay, so entry fee for parking is around 10 rupees per bike. Chada, parking avade. Okay, so that's the car parking and this is the bike parking. Get inside, we'll park it somewhere in the shade. Oi! நான் ஆஃப் ரோடு போகணும் பார்த்தேன் அவசியம் ஏதோ யோசனை இல்லை. இங்கே போட்டுடலாம்ல. At last we have reached Jatayu Earth Center. Okay, so guys, we have reached Jatayu Earth Center. You have the clock room, you have the toilet, entry point, security check-in, and cable car is also here. So what we are opting is we are not going to climb because we have to ride back again all the way to Munnar. So we are going to take the cable car. So the cost is going to be, if you want to just visit this sculpture of the Jatayu, it's going to be 266. Along with cable car, it's 289, and in total cost is 555. If it's going to be sculpture visit and walk, it's going to be just 325 rupees, guys. And yeah, Yogi just paid it and got it. This is space for parking. You have everywhere ample parking here. Cool. So we'll go into the cable car and we'll connect that bike. Okay, so that's the registration point. You get the ticket for the sculpture. Here it's going to be the locker room. You can keep your helmet and other stuff. Drones are not allowed, so they'll make a registry here.
Two bags.
This bag I'll take. The camera on. So I'm taking this bag. The helmets will be kept and this bag he's keeping. Insta 60 okay. So we'll get the token. Chethi 9:30 open okay. So the Jatayu Earth Center will be open by 9:30. We see some crowd here. Okay, so we have finished the check-in here and we come to the first floor where we have the rope car. We will be taking a rope car up because it's pretty sunny and we have to ride all the way to Munnar. Here there are certain restrictions, like you can't carry cigarettes, you can't carry any kind of electrical items with regards to cigarettes, you cannot carry water bottles, snacks, all these things you cannot carry, and apart from that, no plastic there. So basically plastic bottles are all kind of a no. So we'll be going up in the rope car right now. Okay, ciao, see you. So that's the entrance we came in, and then there's a section here for photo. That's enna photo sonanga? What did they say?
Memory photo.
Memory photo. Basically, that you have come to Jatayu, you can take a picture, but again you have to pay. There's some snacks area here where you can spend, and then from here we have to go to the first floor, which will take us to the rope car. That's the famous rider, Yogi. One more stairs. Oh, okay. So there's one more snack counter here.
It's not open.
Keep climbing again. One more. I think 3 or 4 floors we have to go. So this comfort, what happened, I spoke to the manager of Jatayu and explained them this is the situation, and they understood, they respected me. They said they will talk to the specific security guard. The problem is people, they're like, sir, ma'am, they don't call that. Like that they call, which is really vulgar, first of all, because you have to respect everyone. Second thing is, you cannot call someone that way. So one place I cross, another place, same issue. So it'll be crowded when crew comes. There is a rope car. So you can see the rope car coming down. Very compact, unique here rope car. It comes. Yeah, again this guy also clapping, not opening his mouth. Okay.
Most of them in Kerala is
Oh yeah, like specifically here they're strict. I understand they're strict because of rules and regulations. Okay, like they want to make sure everything is clean. But at least clapping that is not should like. At least open your mouth and say, everyone come and stand here. Please come. Rope. Second one. Oh yes, jumping. Center, okay. Oh good, yeah, nice. At least it's free. Hello. So that's the first cable car. We are on the second. We have one more, which is the third. Good that they're putting limited people. இங்கே சிக்கம்லாண்டா கூட்டமாக தள்ளிடுவாங்க, இதுக்குள்ளே 12 பேர் இருப்பாங்க. That is better that we have kind of private one. So we have started climbing up. You can see there. You could see the complete aerial view of the whole place near the valley. I know this payment is for both up and down, right? And I think we've reached the top. And there's a place like helipad. Oh yeah, we have a helipad here. Maybe politicians like Modi ji and all comes in, they'll land up here directly and stuff. That is why they use helipad now, yeah. Ooh. So it's balding.
Yellow color, right side.
கீழந்து வண்டி வந்து நம்ம வண்டி ஏறி கிட்டத்தட்ட 5 minutes எடுக்குது, 5 to 6 minutes. You could see the yellow cable cars going down. Rope car. That's the stairways, guys. Now this is what Yogi was planning to come in the staircase. Trust me, I would have said get lost and I was on. I couldn't climb this in the sun, guys. That was steep. There you go. It's Jatayu. What you've been waiting for so long to see.
No one is watching.
People who walk will be mad.
I would have walked.
You would have walked. You would have.
alone.
Okay. We need to get ready to get off. இவடோ எல்லாத்துலேயும் ஃபோனை விட்டுரு, அங்கேயும் ஃபோனை விட்டு வந்துட்டேன். Okay, so we have landed down and just a few stairs here to climb. Very tough stairs these are.
Hello?
Okay. That's Jatayu. At last, finally, after so many years, we have made it. We are here at the Jatayu. Damn right, architecture, sculpture, know how they've done it. But I don't think such someone is allowed inside. We can't go inside, I think so. So we have here a couple of tea shops, places to sit. உள்ள அலௌட் இல்லை நினைக்கிறேன். ஆனால் உள்ள அலௌட் இல்லை நினைக்கிறேன். இல்லை இல்லை உள்ள எல்லாமே க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டாங்களே. ஸோ தட்ஸ் ஓவரால் வியூ பாயிண்ட் கைஸ். Beautiful, right? So basically, Jatayu concept. At least you know the Jatayu story, right?
Yeah,
He'll be fighting with Ravana. He'll go to save Sita, and Ravana will cut one of the wings of Jatayu. And the Jatayu, it falls down, bang, like same way, same posture. That's the real story, but I don't know which area did it fall. That's still a confusion, still a discussion going on. See, not in Sri Lanka, somewhere here only, in India only, India territory. See, that time Sri Lanka, like, it was not so separated. It was just a very quick one to move. Wow, there's a beautiful monument there. So all the entries are actually closed. It says no entry. Maybe there's some construction going on. I don't know.
6D theatre work in progress.
You have a small viewpoint on that side, and then here we have a kind of a beautiful temple. Huh? Oh, that's ISKCON. I can't go into this temple. Okay, cool. Chalo guys, so at last we have reached Jatayu. Now it's time for us to move to Munnar. After this we'll connect. Okay, see you then in the next video. Bye bye.